Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into your router quickly. Log in using the gateway IP on your console or PC. Once done, locate UPnP in the Advanced or WAN settings and enable it. This lets devices map ports automatically. Make sure your Xbox is using DHCP or a reserved static lease so its address stays consistent. If you prefer, note the Xbox IP now. These steps prepare the network, so UPnP can function reliably and avoid later conflicts. You now verify the Xbox side, open network settings and run the connection test to confirm NAT type and any failed tests. If NAT remains strict, reboot your modem and router, then fully power cycle the console. Simple reboots clear stale mappings. If strict persists, switch off UPnP temporarily, add manual port mappings for Xbox services like TCP 3074 and UDP 88, 3074, 500, 3544, 4500, then re-enable UPnP to see if it now negotiates correctly. Finish by testing multiplayer and NAT status. You want open or at least moderate. If you hit double NAT, put your modem in bridge mode or place the Xbox IP in the router DMZ to remove the second NAT layer. Make sure router firmware is current because bugs can break UPnP. If things still fail, clear the router DHCP lease table and restart UPnP. This forces fresh mappings. One key tip: if problems persist, factory reset router settings only after exporting your config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.